Welcome back. Now, based on the last video, we were able to output information from ChatGPT into Microsoft Word. We went back to ChatGPT and we requested that ChatGPT format the information into a Google Doc. However, ChatGPT stated that it was unable to do this as of the recording of this video. However, we did notice that ChatGPT did provide download files of all of the snapshots that it extracted from the video that we originally uploaded. So we made a non-structured request of ChatGPT. In our non-structured request of ChatGPT, we asked ChatGPT to take each snapshot, place it inside of a PowerPoint to make that snapshot the slide, and then to produce one document. And ChatGPT was able to produce the document that we requested. So we can output various forms with the information that ChatGPT gives us. We can even start with a source document and extract information to place inside of the formatting that we create. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.